Photos, open Photos or iPhotos on your Mac. Then use a USB cord to plug your camera into the computer, or remove the SD card from the camera and insert that into the appropriate slot on your computer. If iTunes opens, simply close it. Once you're in Photos or iPhotos, if you do not see the photos that you just took, go to the left and click on your device and click the box Open Photos for this device. Check the photos that you would like to import from your device. Click the Import button. Now we need to edit. Double-click the photo that you would like to edit. If you're using Photos, the tools will be located at the top of the screen. If you are using iPhoto, the tools will be here at the bottom of the screen. Once you get in the editing interface, there are several options available to you. You can rotate your artwork and crop your artwork. Use this wheel to square up the artwork with the cropping selection tool. Remember to crop your artwork all the way in so that nothing but the artwork shows. Remember, these images are going to be used for the adjudication process, and it's important that the judges can see your work clearly. Now it's time to export your photo. Although it's tempting to drag the photo to the desktop, this will bypass several settings that will result in a higher quality image. So instead, go to File, Export, and check your settings. The photo kind should be JPEG. The quality should be maximum. The color profile can remain most compatible, and the size should be large. Pay attention to where the file is going so you can find it again later. I'm going to export mine to the desktop. Now that I've exported my photo, it shows up on the desktop. At this point, you can rename it using the Pinellas County naming convention. Click once on the file name so that it becomes dark blue. Click again so that it becomes light blue, and now you can type the new name. Last name, underscore, first name, underscore, title of the work, and grade level.